Lightroom just received a couple of new AI features including generative remove of fill powered by Firefly and some improved subject detection in lens blur. I have this image of a man riding a bike and a car behind. Seems to be a pretty good example to show generative remove powered by Firefly. This is still in early access. Going to remove menu and here need to toggle on the generative AI option. Now just need to resize brush and brush on the things you need to remove. We'll try removing the man and the bike first. Make sure to brush on the whole part including the shadows too to get best results. And wait to do its magic on the cloud. It's taking a lot of time probably because of the pressure on the servers. Hopefully the process will speed up soon. So here's the result. Firefly has done pretty good job not only to remove the bike but also to add a front wheel to the car. Generative fill is working fine here. Now we'll reset and try removing the car, zooming in and carefully brushing on the vehicle. Few moments later, a pretty good result here. In this example, we'll try to remove the person in the middle first. Just trying to cover the shadows too. You can notice how well the generative fill has done its job on the background. Now to the other person on the left. Now we'll try the improved blur feature. Going to the blur menu, dragging the blur slider to the right to get the process started. This process is a lot quicker. The depth of field detection is quite good. Drag the blur amount slider to increase the blurriness in the background. You can also tap the focus icon to change the focus length and tap the mask icon to see the depth visualized. You can drag the slider to change the depth of field. Works quite well. Hope this video was useful to you all and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.